First, you want to open up your Microsoft Excel program and then input your data. Here we're going to be doing a student gradebook, so there'll be the student's name and what they got on their first test. We'll just input a few names so you get an idea of how to do this. Once you have all your names input, you can start to put in your formulas. So the first one, you type the name of mean. And now we're going to go up to formulas, and we'll be selecting a statistical function, and of course the mean is also known as the average. Now it happens to pop in the correct range, but we're going to just highlight the range so you see how to do that, and then it goes in there. The next thing we'll be typing in is our median, and another way to get to those formulas is right here in the function bar. After you've used a few, they will pop to the top, so if you're doing repetitive things, but here we're going to click on median, say OK, and that pops in. Now again, we're showing the range. Perfect. The last one, of course, will be the mode, which is the most commonly found grade. Again, choosing our function from the formula list, saying OK, highlighting the range that we want to be considered, and OK. Now we have our three functions, our mean, median, and mode, and what we want to do next is make a chart. So we highlight those three. We're going to insert a chart, and I'm going to choose cylindrical. When I see it, I don't particularly like it, so I think I'm going to change that. Another way you can change is to go up, click on that, and just select a different chart type. Say OK, and as you can see, it turned into a bar graph instead right there. Now I may, after seeing the chart, realize that there's something else I would have liked to have included. For example, maybe my highest score of the class. Well, I don't need a function for that because I can see what the highest score is, so I'll just choose that, and I can also put in the lowest score. Now, how do I get my chart to reflect my new numbers? Well, first off, I'm going to eliminate the chart I have. All you do is click on it and delete. Highlight again the range that I want. Go back. This time I'm going to do a 3D, and as you can see, all the new information is there. I go back to a 1D because I didn't like the way it didn't quite show the high number and the low number. As you can see, I didn't actually highlight everything, and only what is highlighted goes into the bar graph. Okay, I like what I've got, so I'm going to go up and save as. I'll be saving it as an Excel workbook item. I give it my name. I hit save. And now I can print. I want to make sure that my chart is highlighted because that's the only thing I want to print right now. I go into print, and I make sure it says chart, and then I click OK. And I now have my Excel chart printed.